It's me, Imat from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to use the break statement within the Java programming language. The compiler which we are using is the Eclipse IDE. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to start a new project. So how we can do that? Okay, let me delete all the previous things, and now we need to go to file, go to new and click on Java project. Here we will write the name of the project as break state. Okay, break state, or any name of your own choice. Click on next and then on finish. After this is done, click on the project expansion button and right click on this src folder. Go to new and click on class. In class we will write brk, any name of the class, any random name. You can write anything like abc, and also you need to tick the public static void main function, because one public class and one public static void main function is very necessary for the proper accomplishment of the program. So click on finish. Now our coding environment has been created. We can see that on the top we have our name of the project. Second is public class, which is named as we have named it brk, and one void main function. So now we will try to implement our break statement here. So we will implement a for loop. So we will write for int y is equal to 0, y is less than 10, and y plus plus. I hope that you know about the syntax of for loop, but if not, you can see that our for loop is used for to run again and again. It means that first you can see that it is the condition of the for loop. Just like first we have declared an integer variable which is equal to y, and we have stored 0 inside this y. After this is done, the next thing is that what is inside the y, the condition will check, or the control will check that either that thing is less than 10 or not. And if it is less than 10, the control goes to the body of the for loop, which consists of these two brackets. So here we will write system.out.println, and here y. Now what will happen now? First, 0 will be stored inside this y. Condition will check that either 0 is less than 10, and it is true. Yes, 0 is less than 10. Then control will come on the body, within the body of this for loop, and it is written system.out.println y. So what is inside y, that is 0, must be printed on the console. Okay, so here we can see that okay, wait, yes, we can see that it starts from 0, then 1 is printed, then 2, 3, and so on up to 9. Okay, and after the printing is done, the control moves to this y plus plus statement, and it will be again iterated, means that it is increased by 1. That is y must be updated. Okay, y must be updated by 1. Okay, so now we will write a condition that if I is equal to 4, I is equal to 5 or 4, then break. Break means that control will automatically, sorry, it's y, for y is equal to 5. Control will automatically break the statement of in for loop. Okay, and it will go to the end. Okay, so we will run it out, press OK, and here we can see that it will just print the y 5, and after 5 break statement will work, and it will go what's called as the out of the body of this for loop, which is actually this thing. Okay, so hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the break statement within the Java Eclipse IDE. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.